Xiaomi keeps expanding their product line. In this case, we have a mechanical keyboard named Xiaomi UME MK01. Keyboard comes in standard Xiaomi package philosophy. In box you will find keyboard itself and micro USB to USB cable for connecting keyboard to PC. Also there is a user manual in Chinese. Immediately when you take UME MK01 in hands, you will be surprised positively. It feels surprisingly heavy for a keyboard. Reason for that is that complete back and sides of housing are made of metal. This gives premium feel and look. Every time when you move keyboard or touch it, you will be reminded with cold metal feel. At the back there is not too much to see. Continuation of metal, there are 4 rubber legs which will ensure firm grip on your desk. Keyboard can be angled by pulling up rubber legs. This will ensure needed ergonomic angle when using a keyboard. As MK01 uses micro USB port for connecting and bundled cable has 1.5 meters length, and if you need more length you can buy any other micro USB to USB cable and use it. After first sentences typed, I was impressed. Travel of the keys was just how I like, sweet spot. Key presses are quiet, which was a huge plus for me, because mechanical keyboard, which I used before, had noisy keys which needed some time to get used. Panel between keys is made of glossy plastic. Keys are also made of plastic, but they feel really sturdy and well made. They don't feel slippery at all. Also, I don't have complaints about size and layout. Everything feels natural, but I must admit that I miss numerical part on right side. But this is just a personal thing, it is more a habit than a real need. Backlight has 5 brightness levels and option to be turned off. It has just one color, except of feature as caps lock, window key lock, which will light up in orange color when activated. Overall, Xiaomi UME MK01 impressed me in terms of build quality and performance. Price is somewhat on bigger side, but if we compare it with my Moto Speed mechanical keyboard, which I really like, Xiaomi is completely on different level in terms of build quality. If you are in search for mechanical keyboard and you love good aesthetics, simplicity with no compromises with build quality, MK01 is excellent option. Link where I bought UME MK01 can be found in description box. If you find my review helpful, hit that subscribe button, share, like, and until next review, see ya!